Hello and welcome to our continuing series of instructional videos for the Active Network. This is a management or an activities management video where we will cover prerequisites for activities. So let's get right into it. In activities, I'm just going to look up a random activity, doesn't matter which one. We'll look up a cycling activity. And we need to manage the membership types that someone needs to have in order to take this class. In some instances, what we'll find is at the front desk, someone will say, I can't register someone for a particular class because I have to do an override. It says they don't have a particular membership type. Well, this is where we're going to go to determine what types of memberships will affect this particular activity. So here we are, cycling for fall 2017. And we're going to swoop into prerequisites here. Change prerequisites. So this is a really long list. It shows all of the different memberships that are currently attached to this program that say, yes, this person is qualified to take this program because he or she has one of these membership types. Again, this is one of the reasons that we've highly encourage you to copy programs from session to session and from one to another so that you don't have to manage this very often. But sometimes you will find that one of these membership types is missing. So how do we fix that? We're going to come down here to the bottom where it says prerequisite group 1. Now, I'm going to warn you that there is a possibility of creating a second prerequisite group. If you create a second prerequisite group, that means that the member must have this thing and this thing. So if you put two membership types in prerequisites in different groups, then you're always going to have an override because the member is never going to have two membership types of the same, two memberships at the same time. So here in our current membership, we see the list of all the different memberships that we've seen above. If I want to add a membership, I can click current membership in. I'll drag this over here so we can see it. And maybe I want to make sure it's a corporate company paid. I'll change this to all memberships and click search. So here are the corporate company pays. Now, I'm sure that these are already in there, but I'm just going to select all and then click done just to make sure that they actually are all in there. And then I can come down here and click save. Now when I do that, be prepared to wait. Because of the number of membership types that we have, it's got to go through and write all of that different information to that particular activity. So it takes a minute. It takes a long minute. In fact, I'm going to pause the video here. Oh, wait, no, there it goes. Okay, so it's done. Now that membership, those changes have been made to the prerequisites. The other thing that prerequisites will allow us to do is it allows us to do an immediate sale of a membership. So let's say you have a new member or somebody who's registered online and they don't have the required membership type. You can set this to say, if they don't have that membership type that I've required, automatically sell them something that will qualify them for this program. So in this case, what I like to do is I like to sell a community participant membership. So we're going to do non-retention eligible memberships for Downriver. And we'll just click search and see what that gives us. So here's a bunch of the add-ons that we have. And what we also will find is the community participant annual Downriver. So we're going to click that one. And then we'll come back down here and click save again. And again, it's going to take a minute for this to save the entire thing because it's got to go through and update all those membership types. Okay, and we're back, and that's basically how you manage prerequisites. I think the moral of what the story here is, once you get the prerequisites set the way you like, make sure that you're copying programs. It makes your life a whole lot easier, and you won't have to manage those individual prerequisites for every single thing that you have, for every single membership type.